Okay guys, so we're outside. I need to wash my car. I'm not going to make this a big car wash video, but we're going to check out the CCV turbofan. I'm going to give you some examples of how strong this is. So we'll use the foam. I'll blow this against the foam. We'll use the drying part, and let's check it out. All right guys, I've got some pretty good foam here. Let's see how this works. We're gonna press the button, hold it on till the lights come on. There we go. We're going on super violent. Now that's some heavy, thick foam. I made sure to make it heavy, and this is still blowing it very well. So let me finish foaming it, and let me hand wash it, rinse it, and then we'll do the drying. So guys, as I'm washing the Jay Leno soap, stuff smells good. It's like super cherry Ludegrims. Oh yeah, it's nice and foamy. I'm enjoying it. Using the Suds Buds. These are working pretty good. I like them. Very nice. Okay guys, so there's a lot of drying aids on the market. Most of them want you to blow dry the car first and then go back, use the drying aid for the parts that have little water droplets left over. I'm gonna try to show you that. I only got two hands. I'll use the tripod. I'll do the best I can to show you what's going on here. Let's start with blowing the car off. Okay, so while I'm using this thing, I can feel it go down a bar. There's 4 bars, it goes down 1. It's a big drop off in power. Okay guys, we've got the car pretty much dried. I'm down to about 2, and this is on that full speed, strong, violent mode. So lasting an hour, no way. You get one big car, and you're gonna have to go charge a little bit more than that, all right? So we get that. Get your favorite drying aid. You can use all kinds of stuff. This is Enigma QED by Angel Wax. I'm gonna spray some on here. Now, if you wanted, in other words, there's some wet spots, you could go ahead and spray. You could spray it if you want. You could spray the towel. And you're just gonna wipe down any of the wet spots. That way it's not rubbing raw towel. Very nice, very nice. Flip it over, dry it. So slick under here. The Enigma QED is unreal, guys. Unreal. Fantastic. Look at that. Alright guys, so now that we've dried the whole car, any leftover cracks or crevices you're going to hit with this. So I would get my towel in one hand and this in another, blow it. That's what's really making this handy. All them cracks and crevices, blow that air out so that when you drive later, it's not dripping or your customer's not dripping down the way. All right guys, that Suds Buds applicator works good for applying that CarPro Dark Side. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the video. Today we really just did a wash on the car. We used all kinds of different products, but my goal was to see the turbo blower. And this was about $79 on Amazon. So it is actually very powerful around the house for blowing out your keyboards, cracks, crevices. It's got a bunch of brushes it comes with. I want to use it for car stuff, obviously. So we foamed up the car. We used the Jay Leno's Garage soap. What is this? Vehicle wash. I don't know, it smells pretty good. I like that cherry flavor. Foams up nicely. I used a nice amount. You can get that over any of your local auto parts store. Foamed it up. Hit it with this. You can see the power of this blowing on there. It's supposed to be a 150,000 RPM. That's RPM here. It doesn't mean mile per hour. It's just RPM. Anyway, rinse that off. We went ahead and we tried to blow off the car with this little thing. It's not so good at knocking down all the water. So just use your towel as normal. Use your drying aids. Today we use a drying aid. Enigma QED from Angel Wax. Fantastic stuff here. Very slick, very nice product. use it on the glass, on the paint, and after I blew this out, I used that and I went over it with my 360 towel from McKee's 37. So these towels, they have dual sides on them, kind of a plush side and then a short side. You know, you use the plush side to kind of suck up the water, and then to rub it down, kind of buff it out, I use the short side. So once I run around the whole car like that, I still wanted to go into the fine areas like the door handles, the mirrors, the cracks, the under the moldings, and I put this on there. I would spray some Angel Wax onto here, and then I would just easily go around it. That would be my preferred way. Throw on, after you wash the car, some of your favorite drying aid, dry it with the towel, come back and use this in all the cracks and crevices. That way you blow it out so when you dry, there's no drips. Gonna work fantastic for that. Not gonna be for blow drying the whole car. You can do it, it's not that great for that. On the tires, we use the Car Pro Dark Side and the Suds Budge sponge here. This one's pretty damn good for applying dressing to tires. Works really good. A little bit big on my small profiles, but does the job pretty fantastically. I'll show you guys the car. Tell me what you think of it. Is this not worth the $80? Maybe. Depends, but I'll tell you what, you can use this for inside the car, blowing out the cracks and crevices, getting everything if you're interior detailing as well. So it might be really worth it for you guys because it's small, it gets into places, it's maneuverable, mobile, and it might just be very well worth it for you. Doing the whole car is not gonna last, but inside little shots and places, it's gonna last 3-4 hours, half a day, all day, depending on how you use it. Pretty cool product here. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Go ahead and leave your comments or questions in the comments section, and let me show you the car, how it turned out. All right, guys, I gotta drive somewhere real quick, but I just got this little air duster. It's on Amazon. I think I paid about $79 after all the discounts. This thing is a beast. So it comes with some brushes. It's supposed to be 150,000 RPM, and you press the little button back here, and it has these 3 lights, so you can change that's soft. The middle one is violent wind, and the 3 is like super violent, it's called. Let me show you the fan. Look at the fan there and all the blades. All right, I've got a little bit of dust on the dashboard, and let's just see how this works there. Can you guys see it? So let me put it on 3, violent. All right, so there's dust flying all around my car. Can you see it? And you'll have to wipe some of the dust. It's a little bit sticky on there, but yeah, definitely some dust flying around my car there. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's great, man. Great job there. All right, let's see. We got some leaves here. It's a windy day out there. Let's see some leaves here. Look at, I'm standing way back here. I like this thing already. I haven't even gotten to the car uses yet, but just blowing stuff around, shooting it at people's faces.